So you guys know that storm that I was talking about before? I think it's finally here. It's storming so hard that all the power went out in the whole entire building, probably all of campus. Look at that lightning, did you see that? I'm using my phone as a flashlight right now. And that thunder is so loud. It is just raining ridiculously hard. Look at this, all the power's out. Using the generators right now. I don't know if you guys can hear how loud that is, but this is the loudest rain I've ever heard. This is insane. Not quite sure how long the power's gonna be out for. Look at that lightning! Oh my god! Holy! Craziest storm I've ever been in, for sure, by far. Power's back on, but now you can really see how hard it's raining. Look at this. Just absolutely pouring. Look at that lightning. It's 2 a.m. I can't sleep, and this is way too good of a storm not to go out in.
Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face.
This is just absolutely ridiculous. It is, oh my, I'm a little scared to be out in the storm right now, to be honest, but I feel like a crazy person walking out here right now. Nobody to be seen. I am literally the only person outside right now. Decided to take some shelter. I know what you're probably wondering, Zane, why the hell are you out at 2 a.m. right now in an insane storm? And I'm actually wondering the same exact thing, but how often do we get storms like this? And I just couldn't miss the opportunity to experience it. It's seriously raining the hardest I've felt in my whole entire life. Like, it just feels like the raindrops just feel solid hitting you. The lightning is so bright, it lights up the whole entire sky. The thunder is just incredibly loud. It actually is kind of scary.
Fuck you, thunder! You can suck my...
You know, before I got here, everyone warned me about the insane thunderstorms that they have here. And you know, I was like, I live in Oregon. I've been in some pretty bad thunderstorms, but Oregon has got nothing on this. Jesus. Look how huge this frog is. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. Hopefully it doesn't jump away. I have no idea what type of frog that is. I'm pretty sure that's like the biggest frog I've ever seen. I think the storm is finally starting to die down. Not raining as hard anymore. But the frogs out here are just ridiculously loud. I really hope that this camera can pick up how loud these frogs are. My shoes are soaked. My socks are completely soaked. My jeans are soaked up to my knees. You know, I realized that this was just kind of a pointless episode of me not being able to sleep and being intrigued by that incredible storm. But who knows, maybe I've inspired some people to go out and experience the next crazy storm they come across. I mean, maybe you'll find a cool frog or something. Or you can just stay inside and go to sleep like a normal person would.